Have you ever eaten an avocado and just thrown away the leaves? Well, what if I told you that you've been tossing out one of nature's most powerful remedies? That's right. Avocado leaf tea isn't just a drink. It's a centuries-old secret weapon for health used by traditional healers from Mexico to Nigeria. Today, we're unlocking all its benefits, how to make it, and even some shocking uses you've probably never heard of. Stick around. This might just change your life. What makes avocado leaves so special? Why are avocado leaves such a big deal? Well, science is finally catching up what ancient cultures knew all along. These leaves are a nutrient bomb. Here's what's inside. Flavonoids. These are like your body's personal bodyguards, fighting off free radicals that cause aging and disease. Quercetin A, superstar anti-inflammatory, that helps with allergies, pain, and even brain health. Polyphenols. These boost your immune system and protect your cells from damage. Tannins, great for digestion and gut health. Essential oils. Give the tea its unique, slightly floral, earthy taste, and they help with relaxation. And guess what? Unlike coffee or black tea, this brew is caffeine-free, so you can sip it day or night without the jitters. Now we will see shocking health benefits. Natural blood pressure regulator. High blood pressure is called the silent killer for a reason. It often shows no symptoms until it's too late. But avocado leaf tea acts as a vasodilator, meaning it helps widen blood vessels, improving circulation and lowering pressure naturally. Some studies even suggest it works similarly to certain hypertension medications, but without the side effects. I drank this tea for a month, and my doctor was shocked by my BP results. 2. Diabetes warrior. Balances blood sugar. If you or someone you love struggles with diabetes, this is huge. Avocado leaves contain compounds that help your body use insulin more efficiently, preventing dangerous blood sugar spikes. In some traditional medicines, it's even used as a daily supplement for type 2 diabetes, pain relief, nature's aspirin headaches, back pain, arthritis. This tea can help with all of it. The quercetin in avocado leaves blocks pain signals, while its anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling in joints. Some people even use the crushed leaves as a poultice for muscle aches. Steep extra strong tea, soak a cloth in it, and apply to sore muscles for instant relief. Stomach healer. Beats bloating and ulcers. If your stomach feels like a war zone after meals, this tea is your peace treaty. The tannins soothe irritation while its antibacterial properties fight off H. pylori, the bacteria behind ulcers. Plus, it stimulates bile production, helping you digest fats better. Fun fact is, in some cultures, it's given to kids with tummy aches instead of soda or sugary drinks. 5. Immunity booster, fights viruses and bacteria. Forget expensive supplements. This tea is Mother Nature's immune booster. Its antiviral properties make it great for colds, flu, and even herpes outbreaks. Some research suggests it may help malaria and parasitic infections too. Sip this at the first sign of a cold, and you might just stop it in its tracks. 6. Weight loss and detox flushes out. Fat trying to lose weight? This tea boosts metabolism, helps break down fats, and acts as a natural diuretic to flush out water retention. It also reduces cravings. Bye-bye. Midnight snack attacks. Quick tip is, drink a cup 30 minutes before meals to curb overeating. 7. Anxiety and sleep aid, calms the nerves stressed. Can't sleep? The magnesium and natural sedative compounds in avocado leaves relax your nervous system. Think of it as nature's Xanax. Without the side effects, I drank this before bed last week, and I swear I slept like a baby. 8. Skin and hair miracle. Glow from within, your skin will love this tea. The antioxidants fight acne and wrinkles, while its detoxifying effects give you that natural glow. Some people even use it as a hair rinse to strengthen follicles and reduce dandruff. Use cooled tea as a facial toner or hair rinse 2x a week. Ready to make your own? Here's the ultimate guide. What you need is fresh or dried avocado leaves 5 to 6 per cup. Filtered water. Honey, lemon, or cinnamon optional. 1. Wash the leaves. Remove dirt and pesticides. 2. Boil water. Use about 2 cups per serving. 3. Add leaves. Fresh leaves need 5 to 7 mins. Dried leaves need 10 to 12 mins. 4. Strain and enjoy. Add honey for sweetness or lemon for a zing. Pro tip is, for a stronger medicinal brew, steep overnight at room temperature. Now, as amazing as this tea is, it's not for everyone. Here's what to watch out for. Pregnant, breastfeeding women. Not enough research. Consult a doctor. Allergy alert. If you're allergic to avocados, skip this. Blood pressure meds. Could enhance effects. Monitor closely. Too much ill or bad overconsumption may cause nausea or dizziness. Stick to 1-2 cups a day, and you're golden. So will you be trying avocado leaf tea? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever used it before? Did it help with pain, sleep, or something else? I read every comment. If you loved this deep dive into nature's pharmacy, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because in next video, we're exposing another hidden superfood you've been ignoring. Until then, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep sipping smart.